how to log in to Reading Plus Student and Educator portal. First up, open up any kind of web browser. I am using Microsoft Bing for the moment, but you can use Google Chrome, Safari, or any other kind of web browser you are comfortable in. In the search bar, search up Reading Plus, and then a list of searches will open up. Among the results, on the first link, you can see two subtopics, specifically Student Login and Educator Login. If you click on the Student Login, it will take a few seconds to redirect you to this page. Here, as a student, you will need to enter the site code and then click on Next, and then you can log in as a student. If you forgot your site code, you can click on this link right here, or you can ask your teacher for help. If you are an educator, go back to this page, click on Educator Login, which will redirect you to this page. As an educator, you will have to log in through your username and password. In case you forgot your password, you can also reset it from this link right here. And like this, logging in to Reading Plus is as easy as it seems. We hope this tutorial helped you. Keep watching for more and subscribe to our channel.